Hello there, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how you can change a Wix website to a PDF file. For this, first go to wix.com and log into your account. Then, after logging in, choose your site which you want to create as PDF. Now, for this, I'm selecting this one. Then, after opening this your site, after finish editing or everything, then you will see here a bunch of options: upgrade, save, preview, publish. From here we will select preview. uh, then it will take some times. So now you can see you are now in preview mode. Here you can desktop mode, or you can see as switch to mobile version. Here just select it. And now what you have to do, if you want to select download as PDF, just click right click and then select print. Now select destination section, save as PDF. Now select print and it will be out as PDF. And that's how you can change your Wix website to PDF.